Imagine an electric bike that doesn't stop at roads or trails. It even takes on snow. That's the Avenir Combat e-bike. Built for adventure, this machine packs a powerful 5,000-watt motor, pushing speeds up to 37 miles per hour. Its 72-volt lithium-ion battery delivers a solid 43-mile range on a single charge, giving riders the freedom to explore without limits. Every detail is designed for strength and balance. With a 1,335mm wheelbase, a sturdy 242-pound frame, and a max payload of 286 pounds, it's engineered to handle tough environments while carrying what you need. But the real game changer is the snow kit. In less than an hour, this bike transforms into a snow-ready ride, letting you carve through winter terrain with the same confidence you'd have on dirt or pavement. At $9,999, the Combat e-bike isn't just a bike. It's a four-season adventure machine. Wherever you ride, this beast proves that limits are meant to be broken.
Bliss Mobile 20-foot, and here is an expedition unit that can be installed on almost any six-wheeled truck. In this case, the truck is a Mercedes-Benz Zetros. Its dimensions are the same as a shipping container, so it can also be mounted on a container truck. In any case, inside you'll find everything you need for a comfortable life. The manufacturer offers several layout options. One is designed to accommodate 6 people with sofas that transform into beds. The other is for 4 people, and the beds are fixed. Another variation with a bed above the sofa allows 8 people to stay inside. It goes without saying that Bliss Mobile 20-foot has a working plumbing system, ventilation, insulation, heating, and air conditioning, as well as a full power supply. The latter can also be provided by solar panels. An additional advantage is the compartment for transporting apps. Turkey has its own lineup of armored vehicles under the FNSS brand, and today's highlight is the PA Scout 8x8. With that well set up, this APC naturally stands out for its off-road performance. Trenches up to 2 wide and obstacles as tall as 70 centimeters don't faze it in the least. On top of that, the engineers designed the layout so carefully that the weight is distributed almost evenly across the axles. That balance allows the PA Scout 8x8 to handle loose terrain with ease while also giving it a short braking distance and solid control at higher speeds. Its top speed is 100 km/h, and for extra confidence, no matter the surface, the driver can fine-tune tire pressure using the central inflation system. Helix owners. This setup includes a snorkel and a control unit that allows effortless transitions between 5 engine modes. According to the creators, this product reduces turbo lag, decreases fuel consumption, and improves low-speeded torque. Upgrade your Jeep's audio system with an 8S speaker soundbar featuring. Next, our off-road journey brings us to Russia, where we get a look at the Jipka S air defense missile system. It's built on the Gaz-2330 Tiger military vehicle, which is already an excellent choice. Even in its base version, the Tiger comes with an independent torsion suspension on all wheels, a transfer case that lets you lock the center differential, and a tire inflation system, all essential for rough terrain. Plus, the Tiger is multi-purpose, which is important because the Jipka S system requires 2 vehicles. The first is the combat unit carrying the anti-aircraft gunners, and the second is the command and reconnaissance vehicle, which can control up to 6 combat units at once. Where other vehicles would sink, the Ural just keeps on rolling.
The Truck Surf Hotel is a unique and stylish mobile hotel designed for adventure lovers. Launched in July 2017, it's built on a Mercedes Actros truck and travels through Portugal and Morocco. This 2-story hotel has 5 comfortable rooms and offers free Wi-Fi, surfboards, and wetsuits for guests. It was created by Danella Caro and Eduardo Ribeiro, who wanted to share the freedom and excitement of the surfing lifestyle. Thanks to its mobility, the hotel follows the best surf seasons, taking guests along the beautiful coastlines of southwest and northern Portugal, as well as Morocco. It's a perfect mix of surfing, travel, and cultural experience, and it's the only mobile hotel of its kind with private rooms.
Futuria. Unlike other trucks in our list, this is rather a fully fledged house on wheels. It's equipped with a swimming pool on the roof, a garage for a sports car with a mirror ceiling, a living room, a bedroom, a solarium, and many other features. The vehicle moves thanks to a 3L 4-cylinder diesel engine that can deliver up to 170 horsepower. The truck trailer was developed in cooperation with a well-known manufacturer of mobile homes, and therefore the creators were able to take into account the needs and wishes of future owners. The garage for the sports car is located at the back of the house on wheels.
Evolve Fusion Skateboard. Imagine gliding through the streets with the power of a sports car under your feet. That's exactly what the Evolve Fusion electric skateboard delivers, a ride that feels futuristic, fast, and unbelievably smooth. At its core, this beast packs dual brushless motors pumping out a combined 6,000 watts, giving you lightning-fast acceleration and the strength to conquer steep hills with ease. Power comes from a high-capacity Samsung battery, offering up to 60 kilometers of range on street wheels or 40 kilometers with all-terrain tires. Whether you're cruising city streets or tackling rough paths, this board adapts effortlessly. Speed lovers won't be disappointed either. The Fusion hits up to 50 kilometers per hour, 31 miles per hour, all while staying stable and controlled thanks to its bamboo fiberglass deck and supercarved 2.0 gold trucks. Control is simple and precise with the Phase Remote and the Explore by Evolve app, giving you access to 4 riding modes and real-time performance stats. Starting at $1,599, the Fusion isn't just a skateboard, it's personal transportation redefined. Fast, versatile, and built to thrill, this board turns every ride into an adventure. Sealander, the trailer that turns into a boat. Imagine towing what looks like a regular trailer, only to watch it glide across the water like a boat. That's the magic of the Sealander, a brilliant amphibious camper designed to redefine adventure. Despite weighing just 600 to 700 kilos, this compact marvel can carry up to 6 adults with ease. Its hull is crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum, making it both lightweight and tough enough to handle the elements. On the water, the Sealander cruises at up to 10 kilometers per hour, powered by a battery that keeps it moving for 5 to 6 hours straight. Step inside, and it feels like a cozy mini-home. Foldable chairs, a table, a fridge, and even a small kitchen are built in, making it perfect for lakeside camping trips or spontaneous escapes. And when it's time to store it, the Sealander's compact design, just 193 centimeters tall and 166 centimeters wide, means it fits neatly into a standard garage. It's more than just a trailer or a boat. It's the best of both worlds, freedom on land and adventure on water.
The AH-64 Apache RC helicopter is a beginner-friendly model that's perfect for anyone new to flying RC helicopters. It uses a coaxial rotor system, which means it has 2 sets of blades stacked on top of each other, spinning in opposite directions. This setup makes the helicopter very stable and easier to control. It comes packed with helpful features like one-button auto takeoff, automatic altitude hold to keep it steady in the air, and auto landing so you can bring it down safely with minimal effort. Bright LED lights are built in so you can see it clearly even when the light starts to fade. This is a ready-to-fly RTF version, so it includes everything you need right out of the box except for the AA batteries for the remote control. The included LiPo battery gives you up to 12 minutes of flight time and recharges easily with the provided USB cable, so you'll be back in the air quickly after each session. Made from lightweight but tough plastic, the helicopter holds up well to minor bumps and is great for outdoor flying in calm or light wind. It has a control range of about 30 meters, giving you plenty of space to practice and enjoy flying. Overall, it's a solid, easy-to-use RC helicopter that makes learning fun and safe.
Imagine a world where artificial intelligence has to pass through its own training ground before being trusted in the real world. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, Swiss scientists have made it possible. They've developed causal chambers, mini-labs no bigger than a desktop computer. Think of them as wind tunnels, but for AI instead of aircraft. These labs give algorithms a safe space to learn, adapt, and most importantly, avoid costly mistakes before they interact with the physical world. Each chamber simulates a different environment. One mimics unpredictable forces like wind. Another recreates the behavior of light and optics. Together, they form a virtual playground where AI must prove its skills under strict, realistic conditions. This innovation isn't just about testing, it's about building trust. By forcing AI to earn its reliability in controlled spaces, scientists are setting a new global standard for safe, advanced technology. Causal chambers mark a turning point. Before machines shape our world, they'll first have to prove they can master theirs.
DAL Logo 12K. The advantage of this truck is that in addition to transporting wood, it's also capable of loading and unloading on its own. The cabin, with a hydraulic lifting device, rotates 300 degrees. This feature gives the driver a better view and makes steering easier. The DAL Logo 12K is designed to work in the woods, so the suspension and wheels are able to cope with moderate off-road conditions. The model is intended for hauling small and large logs up to 39 feet or 12 m in length. The number 12K refers to the maximum timber lengths that can be transported. The maximum length of the range is approximately 72 foot. Volta Zero, the developers of this vehicle, sell their brainchild as a modern truck for the city of the future. It is every scrap business's portable processing dream, says the Belgium company Lefort. The reason is they not only mount balers on trucks, but also produce their tracked versions. And in 2022, the company has more than 4,000 units, which makes it the leader in scrap metal processing. On the screen, you can see the Mobile 660 on wheels and the Trax 600 on tracks. The task of the machines is to cut and flatten scrap metal, making it easier to store and transport it. The wheeled version has no problems driving on public roads, and the tracked version is controlled remotely, which makes it perfect for small spaces.
Zenair CH701. Ever dreamed of flying a plane that can take off almost anywhere? Meet the Zenair CH701, the aircraft that turns a backyard runway into your personal adventure zone. Built with thick, high-lift wings, full-span leading-edge slats, and flaperons, this little beast achieves incredibly low stall speeds, just 28 to 30 miles per hour, letting you float through the air at near walking pace. Takeoff? Barely 50 feet. Landing? Under 100 feet. That's less than the length of a basketball court. It's not made for speed, cruising around 80 to 95 miles per hour, but for freedom. Its strength lies in simple engineering, easy maintenance, and a design that lets you reach places most planes can't even dream of. For pilots who crave off-airport exploration, this isn't just a plane. It's pure adventure built from metal and rivets. The CH701 redefines what short takeoff and landing really means, proving that real flying isn't about altitude but attitude.
The Sleipner DB45 trailer offers two standout features. It's both low bed and off-road capable. This trailer could be coupled with a dump truck and can transport heavy equipment like tracked bulldozers. With the Sleipner DB45, you can get to the worksite faster and avoid unnecessary wear on the undercarriage. The developers notes that the undercarriage can last 2 or even 3 times longer than usual. The trailer can carry up to 45 tons, making it suitable for heavy machinery like drilling rigs and excavators. Plus, the load design saves time and reduces stress for operators. The Inventions is a luxury SUV with military styling and off-road capability. It is the largest and most expensive vehicle in Rizvani's lineup and is positioned as a competitor to the Cadillac Escalade and Lincoln Navigator. The Vengeance exterior is characterized by its aggressive styling, which includes a wide grille, large headlights, and prominent fenders. The vehicle also features a number of off-road oriented features, such as 35-inch tires, a raised suspension, and skid plates. The Vengeance interior is luxurious and spacious with seating for up to 8 passengers. The Vengeance is powered by a standard 6.2L V8 engine that produces 420 horsepower and 460 pounds of torque.
The Rotating Detonation Rocket Engine, RDRE, is an advanced type of rocket engine that could completely change how we think about space travel and high-speed flight. Unlike traditional engines that burn fuel in a steady stream, the RDRE works by creating controlled explosions that rotate around a central chamber. These spinning detonations generate more power while using less fuel, making the engine more efficient and compact. One of the most exciting features of RDRE technology is its potential to achieve hypersonic speeds, much faster than current engines can manage. This could allow spacecraft or high-speed planes to take off from regular runways, fly at extremely high speeds, and possibly even travel into space without needing a huge launch pad. The RDRE could be a game-changer not just for space exploration but also for defense and commercial aviation. Its high thrust-to-weight ratio and fuel efficiency mean it could power future military aircraft, spaceplanes, or ultra-fast passenger jets. Engineers are especially interested in it because it might make launching satellites cheaper and quicker, and open up new possibilities for reusable spacecraft. As testing continues and real-world trials like those done by companies such as Venus Aerospace move forward, RDREs may soon become a practical, everyday part of high-speed aerospace travel.
Super dumps. These trucks allow transportation of goods weighing up to 26 tons on the same roads as other trucks or dumpers. However, its distinctive feature are its axes from 3 to 7 depending on the model. Their number can be adjusted depending on the requirements of one or another country. This feature makes this truck unique in its possibilities in most countries. It has 3 fixed axes and can additionally connect 4 more, 3 of which work simultaneously and the 7th in the form of a folding axis. It leans back up, which greatly facilitates the passage of the truck on public roads.
Meet the Utopia Cord e-bike, a futuristic urban ride that's redefining city commuting. Sleek, lightweight, and packed with smart tech, it's built to turn heads and make every trip effortless. Features and benefits. Weighing just 46 pounds, its 661 aluminum alloy frame uses liquid forging technology, blending strength with a premium feel. The 350W hub motor delivers smooth acceleration and boosts your ride up to 20 miles per hour, while the Shimano Acera 352.30 drivetrain ensures precise, versatile gearing for any terrain. Safety and convenience come standard. Integrated front and rear lights keep you visible, and a fast-charging 4A charger powers you up quickly. Smart features like voice control, fingerprint start, and a built-in navigation system put control at your fingertips. Context and real-world impact. Whether commuting through crowded streets or cruising along scenic routes, the Utopia Cord transforms your daily ride into a seamless blend of style, speed, and efficiency. Its lightweight design and advanced technology make city travel smarter, faster, and more fun than ever. Strong closing statement. Priced at $1,200, this e-bike isn't just a way to get around, it's a statement of innovation, freedom, and next-level urban living.
Of the mining world. Purpose-built for underground utility work, this Australian-engineered powerhouse is more than just a rugged workhorse. It's a lifeline for subterranean operations. Available in various configurations, including water, fuel, and service modules, the WR810 adapts to specific mine site requirements like a true underground specialist. Its compact design ensures maneuverability in tight tunnels, while the durable frame, reliable engine, and ergonomic operator cabin combine to deliver consistent performance in the most demanding conditions. Pricing for this utility machine generally starts around $350,000 depending on module type and specs. Things are going quite well in Sweden too. The team at Scania offers a wood chip truck. In 2021, Scania engineers created a 111 12 feet long wood chip truck that made transporting wood chips 30% more efficient. The innovative truck boasts smooth operation and reduced fuel consumption, as well as impeccable behavior in traffic jams. The video shows an earlier version owned by a logistics firm. The truck Scan R560 equipped with a standard 560 horsepower engine was chosen for modernization. According to tests, the wood chip truck came out not only reliable, but also economical. With an annual mileage of 167,770 miles, companies will spend $4,867 less on fuel.
The queen-size camper concept Galleria for 4 is a clever camper van idea created by engineers from Germany. Instead of buying a separate trailer, this concept shows how you can turn an ordinary car, like a Volkswagen multi-van, into a full-featured camper for 4 people. Every bit of space is used smartly to make outdoor living comfortable and convenient. The van includes a sleeping area, with one of the beds located on the roof, giving you more room inside. It also comes with a toilet, a shower, and a pull-out kitchen that features a sink and a 2-burner stove. What makes this design stand out is the attention to detail. For instance, the shower is designed to be used even in cold weather, and part of the heat produced by the stove is cleverly redirected to warm up the water. This concept proves that with smart engineering, you don't need a big trailer to enjoy a cozy and functional camping setup. It turns a standard van into a compact but fully equipped mobile home, perfect for road trips and nature adventures. Imagine a winch so tough it keeps working even when fully underwater. Meet the Smittybuilt X20 Gen 3, a beast built to handle the extremes. With a pulling power of 5.5 tons, it's driven by a sealed 7 horsepower motor and forged gears, ensuring unmatched strength and durability. Its three-stage planetary gear system, with a 216:1 ratio, delivers the perfect mix of speed and raw power, so nothing holds you back. What makes it even smarter? A 500-amp waterproof controller that you can mount anywhere, even inside your ride. Plus, the upgraded wireless remote works seamlessly with USB or a 3-meter cable, giving you full control in any situation. The synthetic rope is 30 meters long, lightweight yet strong, paired with an aluminum Haas fairlead for smooth operation. And with an external automatic brake and sliding gear, spooling is quick and reliable. At just 34.5 kilograms, it's rugged yet manageable. Backed by a 5-year electrical warranty and lifetime mechanical coverage, it's built for trust. This isn't just a winch, it's the one that doesn't flinch, even when your vehicle is submerged to the roof.
Let's stop by STU Trailers to check out an advanced car hauler. This trailer folds to carry either 3 vans or 6-passenger cars. That kind of flexibility demands reliability in every component. That's why STU Trailers builds it from S355J2+ steel, the same grade used in dump trucks and cranes. The trailer also comes with 2 winches and remote control, and you can optionally add hydraulic suspension and axles rated for up to 14 tons.
The Hansa 410, where elegance meets power. Imagine a yacht that blends pure luxury with cutting-edge performance. That's exactly what the Hansa 410 delivers, a redefined sailing experience built for the future. With sharp chines at both the bow and stern, this beauty glides with remarkable stability, giving you smoother, more effortless sailing. Add in the option for electric propulsion and eco-friendly systems, and you're not just cruising, you're sailing responsibly. Step inside, and it feels like stepping into a floating retreat. Spacious cabins, a welcoming saloon, a fully equipped galley, and a wide cockpit with dual tables make every journey comfortable. The sleek GRP hull, finished in signal white with a dark gray waterline, promises both durability and style. From the island double berth in the master cabin to the warm marine plywood finishes and cream Monte Carlo upholstery, every detail whispers elegance. And with twin-wheel steering, stainless steel fittings, and a fold-out bathing platform, practicality meets luxury in perfect balance. The Hansa 410 isn't just a yacht, it's a statement of what modern sailing should feel like.